it's Miss Kim from the Vernon Area Public Library, and I am back with a colorful fall craft. I love fall. It is my favorite season. The temperatures are falling, the leaves are falling, Halloween is right around the corner. Shh, and so is my birthday. And football season too. Good point, Lucy. Good point. So let's celebrate the changing of the season and get to making a fall craft. Remember all our sidewalk drawings we did with chalk? Well, here's a way to use that chalk inside. I'm also going to use my chalk pastels, which is a fancy way of saying brighter, more concentrated chalk. We'll be using the negative space in this project. That just means we're not drawing a leaf, we're coloring the space around the leaf, the background. Hold your leaf template down tightly and take your time while you're coloring. Look at the difference on my drawing between using the side of the chalk and the pointy end. Think of all the things that we can color. Pumpkins, bats, flowers. All you need is the shape. Be so careful taking off that leaf. A little bit of touch-up, and we're all done. I'm using my pastel pencils for this one. A little more controlled coloring, and you definitely need a pencil sharpener. I like the look of pencils because it can be more wispy. This one started to really remind me of feathers. Adding a border of glue creates a neat twist. The trick is keeping your glue nice and thick and not gloppy. These bar pastels were really easy to hold and great to work with. The next project, I'll make that glue a lot thicker. This is really where the magic happens with this technique because all of the background really sets off your leaf. All done. And I'm getting better and better. So there's our fall craft. Have some fun experimenting. Remember, you're the artist. If you like it, that's all that matters. Life is changing around us pretty quickly, and the library is adapting. We're working hard trying to come up with ideas and services to help. One of our newest services is our browsing bundles, where a librarian custom picks out stuff just for you. That's where I got these fall books, curbside and no contact. So check out our website and our YouTube account frequently. What was that? Did you hear that? Wow, that was spooky. Until next time, be for Vernon Area Public Library.